Hi guys, welcome back to Dharani Creations. Today we are going to make a automatic light on off system by using a LDR sensor. Let's see how to make it. We need a 12 volt PCB relay, 1N400 diode, a BC547 100K resistor, a LDR sensor, a 2-pin plug and a 0 PCB. I have connected the relay to the 0 PCB. Let's solder it. If you have any doubt in the connection, you can check the diagram. Now we can connect the bulb to test it. I have converted 220 watt to 12 watt by this some PS. The bulb connection, you can check the diagram. When the light falls on the LDR sensor, the light automatically turns off. When the day becomes night, the LDR sensor detects dark and the light automatically turns on. This is the concept I have been used in this project. When I keep my finger on the LDR sensor detects dark and so that the light turns on. That's all for today guys. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to Dharani Creation. We can see in the next video.